Dry Fog 2. Better, faster, and easier to use. Dry Fog 2, the most advanced technology for cleanroom bio-decontamination from Minncare Purification. The Dry Fog technology is used to effectively bio-decontaminate cleanrooms, CRABs, locks, isolators, biohazard cabinets, and animal rooms. Dry Fog 2 consists of a 0.2 microns hydrophobic PTFE sterilizing grade air filter to filter compressed air, a multi-directional Sterilant diffuser head to spray at various angles, stainless steel 316L decontaminant tank to hold the Minncare solution, and a rigid and portable stainless steel trolley for easy portability. Dry Fog 2 provides high flexibility with the option of fitting up to 8 nozzles for complete 360-degree coverage. Nozzles can be fitted to spray in the horizontal as well as in the vertical direction. The ultra-fine and atomized droplets being ejected from the nozzles are very small, with an average diameter of only 7 microns. Wet fogging is a phenomenon caused by large droplets. Large droplets tend to stick to the walls, causing condensation and corrosion. Because of their size, the atomized ultra-fine droplets of Dry Fog 2 bounce off the surfaces without causing any surface wetting. This also results in even and uniform dispersion of the Sterilant across the room. As a result of this, they can penetrate into difficult-to-access areas and crevices easier and faster. Dry Fog 2 has a wide coverage range up to an area of 1,000 cubic meters and can be easily used to disinfect large areas, or placed in a corridor with all the room doors open to disinfect multiple rooms at once. Dry Fog 2 can be autoclaved and can be fully dismantled as it's designed with easy-to-remove tri-clamp and bayonet connections. Dry Fog 2 features a trolley-mounted design for easy portability and can be easily moved to multiple locations. Dry Fog 2 features a fully sanitary design with 100% stainless steel construction, very easy to maintain with no moving parts, and operates with only compressed air. Validated procedures, reproducible as per international pharma standards. Dry Fog 2 comes with various easy-to-calculate spreadsheet templates. These templates help to determine the quantity of Minncare and water to be used, report the decontamination process cycle, relative humidity control and timings, etc. In the beginning of the decontamination process, the HVAC is switched off and the spraying begins. After 30 to 60 minutes, the spray stops and the relative humidity reaches about 80%. The disinfectant is now allowed to be in the room for around 60 minutes. This phase is known as the contact phase. The HVAC remains switched off. After 60 minutes, the HVAC is switched on, and the relative humidity falls back to the starting levels. This phase is called the venting phase. After venting, the room can be used again with no need for additional surface cleaning. The advantages of Minncare Cold Sterilant are: fully biodegradable, uses only pharma-grade materials, and much less corrosive than other chemicals or formulation vapors. Effective against all microorganisms. Including bacteria, spores, and viruses. This equation explains the chemistry behind the effectiveness of Minncare Cold Sterilant. Minncare Cold Sterilant is widely used in pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, animal research facilities, medical device manufacture, and hospitals. Dry Fog 2 and Minncare is available through a worldwide network of sales and service partners and distributors. Contact us if you need any further information.